it's Gina with WTI, and it is time to treat yourself by indulging in the luxury of having an amazing set of silk pajamas. I just love how weightless this set I got from Ginell is. Not only does it feel amazing on my skin, but it is so well made. So these are 100% 16 mommy mulberry silk, and I love the attention to detail, the workmanship on these. These have French seams, and as a seamstress, I know how difficult those are to do for one, but how lasting it makes the garment. I got the peach blossom design in medium. I just love the pattern on the one that I got. It's so cute. It has like grasshoppers and bugs and flowers, and it's really whimsical. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. These are a little bit loose on me, but that's what I like when I sleep. I don't want to be in something tight and constricted. I recently traveled with these, and I love that Ginell sent them with a bag to hold them in so I could keep them protected in my suitcase. And it also comes with a handy care guide. When I wash these, I soak them for a small amount of time in lukewarm water with shampoo or Castile soap, press them out carefully, rinse them carefully, and then I press them between towels and hang to dry. Silk naturally wrinkles and gets static. So when I want to cut down on the static, one of my favorite ways to do that is to apply lotion. The more moisturized your skin is, the less that you'll experience that. But you could also spray the silk with a little bit of water and let it dry, or you could pass a metal hanger over it or a safety pin, and that can help to get rid of the static also. Ginell has so many different patterns and sizes to choose from. You are going to love them as much as I do, and that's my point of view.